Hey guys, it's Crystal back with another video for you. I have another Civic update and it is a very exciting one, so stay tuned to see what I got. Hey guys, before we start the install, I wanted to introduce my friend's awesome EK Civic build. Hey man, go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Chris Leby. I drive a 2000 Honda Civic CX converted to right-hand drive EK9.
That's awesome. So how long have you had the car for?
I've had the car for just over 2 years.
What got you into the car scene?
I would have to say my friend Josh. Back in high school, he had this really nice black Civic SI. It was a 92 hatchback, and I absolutely love that car. And from that day on, I just kept going with it until I got mine, 94 Integra.
Oh, a 94 Integra. What happened to the Integra?
That Integra was stolen.
Oh, I'm sorry. It happens to all of us. So tell me a little bit about your Honda Civic build.
So, I mean, things were done already when I bought the car. It was already converted. There was some of the interior there. The motor was there, but it was in really bad shape. Front end also was just completely obliterated on this car. I basically had to go through it. I've rebuilt the motor. And my kind of goal with this car was just to make it like a comfortable driving car. It's not so much a show car. I actually want to drive this thing. I want to have fun with it. And yeah, and this is where we are today.
So tell me about your motor.
So the motor is a 96 spec ITR motor, and it was rebuilt. When I rebuilt it, I put in B16B pistons, also 2000 spec EK9 cams. The head is port flow head, not much done to it really as valve train. It's mostly stock, but yeah, that's about it. Nothing crazy.
No way, you built this yourself?
I built this motor 100% by myself. Golden Eagle did do the machine work, but I built this thing. It was only my second time building a motor.
How was it? Was it an easy process or a lot of trial and error?
No, I mean, it seemed easy putting it back together, but it's just nerve-wracking, I guess. You never know if it's gonna start or what's gonna happen, you know? I had no idea.
So if you had to do it again, do you think it'd be a lot easier or harder?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, so what's next for the build?
Honestly, I need to get this car painted. I need to get the dents taken out. I need to get this thing painted. As far as anything else, a tune. And honestly, I don't think I'm gonna go too much further with it, to be honest.
Are there any regrets that you have with the build?
Maybe, I think I could have done better on the braking system.
What do you mean?
Different calipers. There's still something seems a little iffy with it. I'm not too loving the Chase Bays brake lines. I wish I would have kept the OEM hard lines.
What is your favorite part of the build?
So honestly, my favorite part of this build has to be the exhaust. My friend Charles did it for me, Samson Performance. He's out in Colton. It's nothing really special. It's just the way it sounds. It's 2 1/4 inch piping, stainless steel all the way back. V-bands to a twin loop muffler. I absolutely love the sound of it. It's only loud when you're at high RPMs. Low RPMs, it stays real quiet for cruising, and it's just, you know, it's not droney.
Do you want to shout anyone out from your build?
Honestly, I have to thank my boy Javier, Primary One over in Florida. He's out of Orlando, Florida. When I first started building this car, he's one of the first guys I met when I made my Instagram page for the car. Without his guidance, really, I would have never been able to build this motor.
All right, guys, so Chris is gonna do some pulls for us. We're driving so fast, my baby hairs are like, Joe can't even hold it down, guys. Oh, here we go.
It's waiting for more.
That's awesome. Oh, I love your car. And this looks so damn clean.
I know.
I'm so impressed. So I said I had a Civic update for you guys. You are probably wondering why my Civic looks a little weird. It's because it's not my Civic. I have a good friend named Chris, and this is his right-hand drive Civic EK. Today we are going to be installing the JDI Ghost Box. And Chris, do you want to tell us a little bit about what that is?
So the Ghost Box is going to allow me to use the stereo delete, but still keep the Bluetooth in my car. So I'll still be able to listen to radio, everything, take calls from my phone. Can't wait.
Love it. We have already taken the center console and the radio out. And this is the radio delete right over here. Pretty neat, but I'm really excited to see what the finished product is gonna look like. It's gonna give us that.
Let's try this out.
Ooh. Go. Ooh, perfect fit.
Oh,
love it. That nice clean look. So anyway, guys, I am gonna let Chris do this install today, but I will definitely be narrating and giving you all a play-by-play, so let's get on to the install. While Chris is piecing things together in there, I wanted to introduce the Ghost Box. So this is what it looks like here, and of course, they provide you with all sorts of different adapters, so no matter what kind of car you have, we got it covered. Okay. So like always, guys, Ghost Box is really plug and play, as you can see here. Very, very simple install. Voila. We are good to go almost.
That is it.
Awesome. And then we got this Ghost Box here. Let me get this open. So does this just fit inside?
Yeah, we're gonna basically, I think, just
mount it in somewhere.
Yeah, just kind of mount it in right there.
So we're kind of testing out different options here to see how the Ghost Box is going to fit best. So we'll demonstrate in just a sec. We figured out that it kind of fits better on the side, like so. So initially we had the logo facing out. Now we have it sideways, and then Chris here is feeding a zip tie through this center console area to get that secured.
Just straight around the center, I believe, and it should hold it pretty nicely.
Yeah, luckily this won't be seen, so it doesn't have to look beautiful as long as it stays secure. Oh wow, yeah.
I think we'll put one more.
Awesome. Just so you can see what that looks like. Zip tie is right through here. Okay, so now that it's all plugged in and ready to go, Chris is going to test this out real quick.
Once I can find my keys.
Once he finds his keys. Okay.
Oh.
That beep lets you know it's on.
Oh, perfect.
Settings, Bluetooth.
So he's just connecting the settings. Oh yeah, cool, we see that down there on the bottom.
Boom.
Awesome. How the heck do you zoom in on this thing?
Connected.
Actually on the lens itself.
Hmm.
Okay, let's turn this down real quick.
So first impressions, what do you think about Ghost Box?
This thing is absolutely awesome.
Yeah?
The install, I mean, beyond removing all the center console and everything, the install of this was probably the easiest thing I've ever done.
Yeah. That's amazing. So 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Besides
And so
taking
far,
everything apart.
it sounds absolutely amazing.
It really does.
It does.
Yeah, and it connected really quickly. So one thing I noticed, like with other Bluetooth, I guess devices, when I'm trying to hook something up, it takes forever to pop up on my phone, and I'm just waiting, and no, this popped up right away on his Bluetooth suggestions. So he just clicked that and connected, obviously, effortlessly.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
It's awesome, I love it.
And you guys heard that little chime, so when he turns on his car, you can hear that it's on and it's like a ding ding. So, you know it's working. Would you recommend this product to your friends?
I would definitely recommend this product to my friends. I mean, how awesome is it? You can run a delete plate to where it looks like you have no stereo at all, but still get all the functions of your Bluetooth from your phone.
Heck yes.
Like talk probably still works.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm curious to know how that works.
No, talk probably still works. Everything.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
That's awesome. Okay, friends. Well, you heard it here first. So, gotta get on that Ghost Box. That's really, really cool. All right, so everything is put back together, and guys, it looks so good. Chris, what do you think?
I absolutely love it.
Yeah, you mentioned something about the sound quality too. How did that
Amazing. It's way better than the radio I had in, but I didn't have a good, very good radio in my car, but the sound quality is amazing.
That's awesome. Yeah, but overall, I love it. It was really simple install, just very plug and play. Again, the hardest part was taking everything apart and putting it back together.
That's it.
But,
other than that, the install of the thing, easy.
Yeah, and it looks really clean too. So if you're going for that look, this is your product. Okay, so we are back from doing our pulls, and let me tell you guys, I am converted over to the Type R I love. Like the Type R gang, I love it so much. I want a Type R. But yeah, I am so overall impressed, and while we're doing our pulls, I'm still looking at this Ghost Box setup and looking on fleek. So anyway guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Please go visit Chris's social media and give him some love so you can follow his build. He has a really amazing car. It is beautiful, as you guys can see from the video.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Well, thank you so much, Chris, for being a part of our video today.
Definitely, thank you.
Yes, so until next time guys, QueeenBRZ out.